And of course, when it comes to sirens, of course, there's no emergency anywhere near here. They just do it for, just do it. Because they have no life. And that's what they do. Like I said, same dumbasses doing the same dumbass shit. As usual. Well, that's what they do. Go figure.